Kenny, it's time. Let's unbox the new Helix Eye. It is a Helix compatible device, brand new from the Nomadic Controls ecosystem. From this little device, you can see your furry four-legged friend.
Can you see the little doggy in there? She's on the floor, basically just sleeping down there. Okay, I mean, fantastic. What more do you want from a dog in 90-degree weather? So the dog's moved, Kenny. We've got some movement for the dog. So I'm gonna try to look at it at the same time you're looking at it. Oh, there's the dog. There she is. Okay. Let's see if she turns around for us and if we see any panting.
On the same app that runs your heater, your air conditioner, and your lights. So let's do a quick unboxing. I'm sure many people have seen cameras like this in the past. Let's see, the first thing that we have in here is we have a, the Helix Eye does need to be plugged in. We do have a battery version of it coming, so let's see what's in there. We've got a little charging plug, which is 110 volt to USB-C, a for your mounting locations. We've got a mounting plate, mounting screws, a little card that says thank you for using Nomadic. We've got instruction manuals in there, and let's go ahead and take the little camera out. It has a little sticker over the camera. So I'm just gonna breeze through this because it's more important for you to see that it works inside the ecosystem than sort of how to install the camera. I'm sure everybody's pretty familiar with that. So you can see with the little red indicator light that it is plugged in and we have power. And it automatically opens up into pairing mode. So I'm going to go to the Nomadic Controls app right here. I'm gonna go to Add Device. I'm gonna go Set Location Now, Allow Once, and I'm gonna put in the lab password. Now, when you're installing this inside your vehicle, you wanna use the same Wi-Fi settings for all of your different devices. It'll make it much simpler, and I'll go ahead and click. And so right now what's going on is it's pairing the device directly to my account so that nobody else can access my camera from anywhere in the world. And this is using secure encryption as well. So depending on the Wi-Fi strength and the signal, it may take a lot of time or a little bit of time, but we'll just see exactly how long it takes to install this new Helix Eye camera. Now the important thing, once again, just to remember as this is loading into my account, is you can mount it upside down, right side up. You can pick a place inside your vehicle so that you can see dogs, kids, husbands, anything you want. And you can remember with this device is that you can rotate the entire camera around. I'll show you that here in just a second. The camera is completely installed now on the phone. Now, once it's in here on the phone, since I'm doing a screen record, I can just show you, you don't need to go back to the manufacturer, back to us to change the name of anything inside the Helix. I can go ahead and call this Security Camera 1. And I'm gonna put it inside the black van. And then I'm gonna go ahead and hit Finish, and then Done. Now that you can see the camera right there, you can actually go ahead and tap this button right here. You can move the camera around. You can see in that camera right over there that the camera is actually flipping right around. There it is. And let's just see how far around that camera will go. And then back over to Kenny again. And the cool thing about this camera is you can actually talk to the camera as well. Hello, hello. All of the messages that you want here are down at the bottom of the screen. So it can give you all of the human body detection. You can change the directions of the camera here, which is pretty easy to do. You can turn on a siren, a standard mode. You can put it on patrol. So if I enable patrol, it'll go ahead and move itself automatically. You can change the plan of like how much it moves. There's a lot of little hidden features inside here. Sound detection is also included. Go ahead and turn that off. You have motion tracking, and you have a siren button. So I'll go ahead and turn the siren on, Kenny. I guess if your dog's chewing on your bed or your sofa inside your bed, I'll turn the sound off as well. Motion detection is off. I'll turn off motion tracking. So all of these devices here, or these extra things, are available here in the bottom. The basics with the very first camera to come out in the Helix ecosystem is that you can use it on 12 volt with a USB-C charger or 110 volt with the charger that comes inside the kit. This system will allow you to watch your dog, watch your vehicle when you're away. You can set alarms if there's motion detection. You can move the camera around to see different parts of your vehicle. For instance, if you see that your dog is panting, you can actually turn on the air conditioner or decrease the temperature inside your van. Same thing vice versa. If you can see that your van is too cold in the wintertime and that your dog's not doing okay, you can then change the temperature of your heater inside your vehicle as well. Everything that we have here on the table, including the Helix Eye, is designed to make your user experience with your RV as simple as possible on one single ecosystem. Guys, if you want to go further in comfort with a Helix Eye so that you can see your four-legged friend anywhere in the world, look no further than the Nomadic Control Helix ecosystem. Guys, let's go further in comfort connected. Let's go.